Hello and welcome to this Heroin crash course, or my psychology final. You may be asking yourself, what even is heroin? Well, children, heroin is an extremely addictive opioid coming as a powder or black tar. Heroin is known by many names on the street, such as black tar, brown sugar, China white, and many, many more. Now that you've retained your heroin, PSA, don't do drugs, kids, or adults for that matter. How do you use it? Step right up. We have heroin. Do you want to inject it? We got it. Want to sniff or snort it? We got it. Want to smoke it? We got that too. Do you really just want to up your chances of an overdose? Take it with alcohol or cocaine. Note, this is just a joke. Don't do drugs. Now we watch as this young male attempts heroin in order to gain more cool kid points. TM. Whoa, man, this stuff is crazy. Yeah, bro, it's some top-notch stuff I found in an alley. You should try it. No, don't ingest random stuff you find in back alleys. Also, peer pressure is bad, kids. I don't know, man. This stuff seems bad. I gotta go to church with my parents tomorrow morning. Come on, man. It's not that bad. It was, in fact, that bad. I guess just a little wouldn't hurt. Our broski here got addicted to heroin and now worships pizza and potato chips.
No, pizza and potato chips can be worshipped without using drugs.
He's also suffering from lung conditions, sleeping issues, and stomach cramps.
Don't do drugs, kids.
What does heroin even feel like? Well, I'm glad you asked. Don't try this at home, or anywhere for that matter. Here's what's actually happening.
Don't try this at home.
This has been your crash course on heroin. So now you don't have to try it. Don't do drugs. Children, stay in school. Eat your vegetables. Respect your parents and teachers. They do a lot for you. Respect them. Give them a gift this Christmas. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, give them a gift anyways. Yeah.